Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150, guys, where the PCM relay is located. Well, you guys have actually two fuse boxes. We'll need to, guys, open just one of them that's under the hood. And if you guys pay attention right here, right behind that car battery, you have a fuse cover right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. That's the fuse cover. If you open that fuse cover, you will see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Before we continue, let's explain, guys, why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the PCM relay, before we continue, you guys have different kinds of relays, fuses that could be really expensive, overpriced, or hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from. If you need to check it out, you can get them at a really good price. The PCM relay will be, guys, in that relay panel right here. And if you come on the right row, that second relay, the middle one right here, that's for the PCM engine computer powertrain relay right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.